You know how something changes so slowly that you don't even notice it? That's exactly what happened with this truck. Over the last few years, I've put more than 35,000 hard off-road miles on these King shocks. They've been through rocky trails, washboard roads, mountain trips, desert camping, pretty much every adventure you've seen on this channel. During that time, the truck has changed a lot too. I added a camper, recovery gear, batteries, tools, camp gear. Little by little, it turned into the off-grid camping truck it is today. Somewhere along the way, the truck stopped feeling the way I remembered. It was rougher, it bounced around more, it just didn't feel planted anymore. I figured that was just part of building a heavier truck. Well, it turns out it wasn't. So once these shocks hit about 35,000 miles, they were squeaking like crazy, and I knew it was time for a rebuild. I started paying closer attention to how the truck felt on the trails I'd driven a bunch of times. Before, the front end felt busy. Every little bump seemed to upset the truck. Washboard roads were rougher than I remembered. Instead of absorbing the terrain, it felt like the suspension was skipping across it. That's when I decided it was time to have everything gone through. I brought everything over to AccuTune Offroad. They completely rebuilt the shocks with fresh seals, fresh oil, inspected everything, and got them back to like new condition. But while everything was apart, we talked about how much this truck has changed over the years. It isn't the same Tacoma these shocks were originally built for. So instead of putting them back on exactly the way they were, AccuTune revalved them specifically for the weight of the truck that it is today. That was something I hadn't really thought about before. The suspension has never been changed, but the truck sure did. One thing I also wanted to mention was the overall experience with AccuTune from the time I dropped off the truck until the day I picked it back up. Communication was great. They kept me updated through the rebuild. They sent emails with the status of the work and let me know exactly where everything was in the process. Overall, it was just a really smooth experience. One thing I really like is that you don't have to just wait until your shocks need a rebuild to get this kind of performance. If you're buying a new set of shocks, AccuTune can build and tune them specifically for your truck from the start. If I were to start over today, that's probably the route I would take.
A few days after getting the truck back, my buddy and I decided to put everything to the test. We headed up to the Sierra to check out part of the Rubicon Trail. Neither of us was planning to run the whole trail. We mainly wanted to explore a section of it and just see how the truck felt after the rebuild, and after all, we were just passing by it, so we wanted to really just check it out. After that, we made our way over to Strawberry Pass, which ended up being a perfect place to spend more time behind the wheel. I think it was rated a 4 out of 10 on Onyx Off-Road. There were some rocky sections, plenty of uneven terrain, so I really got a good feel of how the suspension handled these different conditions. That's where the difference really started to stand out. The truck felt much more composed. Instead of bouncing around, it settled quickly and felt like I just had more control on the trail overall. By the end of the trip, I had a lot more confidence in how the truck handled both on and off the trail.
The first drive surprised the heck out of me. The truck didn't feel softer, it just felt more controlled. Before, every bump seemed to bounce the truck around. Now the suspension actually feels like it absorbs the terrain. The front end stays planted better, and it settles after bumps instead of bouncing over them. Washboard roads feel noticeably smoother. The whole truck feels more composed. One thing I noticed almost right away was that I naturally started carrying a little bit more speed down the trails. Not because I was trying to drive faster, the truck just gave me a little bit more confidence. It felt like the suspension was finally working with the truck instead of fighting against it. That's probably the biggest difference I've noticed. And while everything was apart, AccuTune also replaced my upper control arms with their AccuTune upper control arms. My Camburg arms had around the same 35,000 miles on them as the shocks, and they had become one of the highest maintenance parts on the truck. About every 3,000 miles, I'd have to jack the truck up, loosen the pivot bolts that hold the upper control arms to the frame. I'd have to grease the bushings, tighten everything back down, and then spray Tri-Flow into the uniballs just to keep the squeaking under control. It wasn't hard to do, it just kept coming back. And since I spend so much time off-road in dirt, dust, and occasional mud, I was doing that maintenance pretty often. The AccuTune upper control arms are a different design. They don't use the same style of pivot bushings as my old setup, so that's one less maintenance item I have to think about. They're fully adjustable, they require a lot less routine maintenance, and they come with a 35,000 mile warranty. After living with the old setup for so long, it's nice having something that's quieter and doesn't constantly need attention. I expected the rebuild to make the shocks feel fresh again, but what surprised me was how much difference the tuning made. The truck finally feels balanced again. It's smoother on the road. It's more comfortable off-road. It absorbs bumps instead of bouncing across them. And it just feels the way I remember it feeling, but even better. Huge thanks to Mike and everyone at AccuTune Offroad for rebuilding my Kings, replacing the upper control arms, and getting everything dialed in for the way this truck is actually built today. If your shocks are due for a rebuild, I definitely recommend giving them a call. And if you're shopping for new suspension, remember you can always order brand new shocks directly from AccuTune, already tuned for your exact truck and your setup.
Thanks for watching. If you want to check out AccuTune, I'll leave a link down in the description below.